Okay guys, so I have promised that I will take this course from the basic level to the advanced level. So that's why I am introducing each and every term that is used in e-commerce. So the two type of businesses in e-commerce that are done. So it's B2B and B2C. So you should be aware of these terms, that what is B2B and what is B2C. So let's discuss in the next slide. That B2B, it's business to business. Like business to business is a situation where one business makes a commercial transaction with another. This typically occurs when a business is sourcing material for their production process for output, like providing raw materials to other company that will produce output. So I will just give an example. Like you are a business, you want to sell something on Amazon. So basically you are a business, you want to generate income for yourself, you are not the consumer. So you are business, you want to generate income, you want to generate profits. So you buy from manufacturers that are providing those products on Alibaba or 1688 or so many websites. So this is called B2B, when the selling and the transaction is done between two businesses. The same, there is B2C, like business to customer. So here is the, like, I should first of all read this. Business to customer refers to the process of business selling products and services directly to consumers with no middle person. B2C is typically used to refer to online retailers who sell products and services to consumer through the internet. So I think it's all completely explained here, that when you sell your service or product to a consumer which is not doing business on that product, on your service, uh, furthermore, so that is called business to customer. So these were the two terms that should be explained initially, because they are mostly used. So in the next lecture we will be discussing furthermore explanations of